In this video, we'll walk through a complete SIP call flow, from call setup through media exchange to call teardown. Alice, the caller, sends a SIP invite message through the proxy to Bob, the callee. This request contains Alice's session information. The proxy responds with a 100 trying message, confirming it has received the invite and is processing the call. Bob's phone starts ringing, and a 180 ringing message is sent back to Alice through the proxy. When Bob answers, his phone sends a 200 OK response, which includes Bob's session details. Alice confirms receipt by sending an ACK. At this point, the SIP session is fully established. Now the real communication begins. Alice and Bob exchange voice data using RTP, or Real-Time Transport Protocol, which flows directly between them. When Alice hangs up, she sends a bye-bye request to end the call. Bob responds with a final 200 OK, confirming that the session is closed. That's a complete SIP call flow, from invite to ringing to RTP and finally teardown. SIP handles the signaling, while RTP carries the conversation. Simple and powerful.